One of the greatest joy of small YouTuber is to see tons of views on that particular video they drop. So you cannot get that done if your thumbnail is not really doing the work for you. Approximately 90% chance that your thumbnail will be first cited before the title at all. If your focus is all about getting views on YouTube channel, you want to start crafting the best thumbnail now. So I will show you how to do that now. Grab a popcorn and let's talk. Let me sit well so we can get into this video fully. Now, to craft your thumbnail, you don't really need to be a graphic designer at all. All you need to have is small idea on what to do, what not to do. I will share with you what to do, how to do it, okay? In a simple way. Now, the second thing I want you to have in mind is that there is always a caption on your thumbnail. This is what viewers can easily read. It is not a graphical representation, not a picture, but something you write out like a text. I hope you understand. For example, if you want to talk about how to cook, maybe you now said cook with me, you know, that kind of thing. So it's written words. I'm trying to make sure this video is as simple as it should be. Now, I'm going to talk about the caption, I'm going to talk about the graphical representation, and also talk about the title, because there's no way we will remove the two from each other. Title, thumbnail, they're together. Okay, so let's talk about the caption. The caption should actually express a bit of your title. I will give you examples. Let's give you an instance. Your title is all about how to get more views. The graphical representation on your thumbnail can be a picture of you doing your hand like this, or doing anything, or smiling. That can be the graphical representation. I mean picture on the thumbnail. So your caption should be something like tons of views, and there should be something like logo of YouTube, because you're talking about YouTube. Just want to keep the thumbnail as simple as possible. It's going to still do the work for us. When you're creating thumbnail that is so cumbersome, a lot of information going on it, it doesn't do the work for you. Trust me, it doesn't do the work. Your thumbnail should be as simple as possible. If you actually make the mistake of writing the totality of your topic or your title in the thumbnail, you've done two wrong things. You've made the thumbnail to be cumbersome for the viewers, and it does not spark curiosity in your viewers. They've read it on the thumbnail, they are reading it also on the title, so definitely there is no spark of curiosity. They're just clicking the video because they want to watch it. I hope you understand. Your title should be on what your video is all about. Once your thumbnail has done the 50% of the work, definitely your title should complete it to make it 100%. This is going to make the viewers to click on the video and watch. To create a simple thumbnail that sparks curiosity in viewers, this is how to go about it. Go to your Chrome browser on your mobile phone and search for canva.com. But if you don't have Chrome browser on your mobile phone, use any of the browser available for you. So if you have not yet signed up with canva.com, then go ahead and sign up, okay? And if you have the app on your mobile phone, then there is no need to go to Chrome browser. What we're going to be doing here is to just click on a search button right here. Click on it and type YouTube thumbnail. Here are a list of thumbnails available for you. YouTube thumbnail template you can use is up to 17,000 plus. So what you need to do is to just click on any one that suits what you expect. A majority of them are free, but if it is going to be pro, you're going to see it right here, pro. Okay, what I'm going to be doing here is to click on any of the free tool, because we want to use canva.com for free. So I'm going to click this one right here, and do not forget that our focus is to create thumbnail that spark curiosity in viewers, because we need more videos views, and that is why we're not going to joke with our thumbnail at all. 80% over 20%, viewers get to see your thumbnail first before your title. Tell me if you see my title first before the thumbnail of this video. This right here is our template, and this is where we're going to play and edit this to what we want perfectly. Now let's go into it. All these wordings here are the caption, so you can adjust this to the caption that we want. And this lady here is the graphical representation, like picture on it, okay? And those stars at the end, they are just elements, other elements, okay? Take note of that. Canva has made life easier for everyone who is not even a designer to create a simple design for themselves. As soon as you click on the lady picture, you see this button, the interface change, and we can be able to access all those things in line right here. So what we're going to be clicking on is replace, just to bring in our own picture. So when clicking on replace, you want to upload file. This is going to take you to your folder where you can bring in the picture you want to represent in your thumbnail. Click on it, click on your device right here to bring in the picture. Once the picture is in here, you want to use this tool to rotate the picture so that it can set to what you expect, and you can increase it by dragging here just to increase the size. I chose this picture because my hand was placed like this just to represent that I am trying to show people something. This is because I am in educational niche, but for you, you want to make use of whatever is available to you based on your creativity and depending on the video concept. And if you notice my face expression, I was smiling, and in some cases, if it is something that I want people to take action or take serious, I can bring out frown face or frown look or shocking face. So I want you to get to relate to that. Now, if you take note of another thing on this video, my background is still there. If you want to get to remove this background on Canva, you have to subscribe to Canva to be able to enjoy that. And if you want to do that, this is Magic Studio right here. And once you click on it, some other interface will show for you, and right here is your video remover right here. But it is not available for me because I am still enjoying Canva for free. But I'm going to show you how I'm able to remove my background without using Canva. So you just want to go to the other part of your browser. So you want to click on Add right here to bring in new page, so you can get to search for something else. So as soon as I click on it, I typed out remove BG. I'm just going to be using this to remove the background of our image. Click on it. So I have dragged in the picture and this is the results. So you just want to click on download here to save it on your mobile phone. So we're going to go back to our Canva now. Here we go, guys. I'm going to replace this picture right now by clicking on replace and coming back to upload file right here, following the first process we used the other time. This is it. Voila, can you see that, guys? So right here you can decide to go ahead and keep editing the image by using adjust button right here. You can change, you can adjust the color, adjust the sharpness of the images, just play around with it. If you want to create my own kinda of thumbnail, so you can just come right here to FS effects. Do not forget I'm still on the image. I've clicked on the image and that is where all these are showing for me. So just click on FS effects and click on shadow, then choose any of the shadow you want, but I use outline. Can you see as I click on it, it changed, and I can, you know, move around with my hand to pick the color I want, and I love white, so I can reduce the size of the shadow. We need to edit the caption. So the title of this video I am trying to create thumbnail for would be your channel will grow, here is why. YouTube new updates 2024. That is the title I'm giving to this video in my head. Okay, so I'm going to bring out a caption that should spark curiosity in my viewers and get them to read my title, then get them to click on the video. So the caption can now be go viral in few days, go viral in 3 days, go viral, depending on the information I'm trying to pass in the video, make sure you're not creating thumbnail that will just get people confused and they click on the video and in your video you're saying something different. Please take note of that. The only thing you want to do is to just make them curious and get them to click on your video, but make sure you're delivering what you're saying through your caption in your video, and especially what you're saying in your title in your video is very important. All I need to do is to click on this, and once I click on the text, can you see this new settings that appear for me, and I can navigate around and do a lot of things. So the first thing that will appear here is edit. Just click on edit and type in your information. So for you too, you can try to edit yours to meet what you want. All right, I don't like this color going on this stuff, so I can just click on the background. So once I click on the background right here, make sure you're clicking on the background, you see the new interface that appear for you right down here. So I'm choosing the color so I can get to change the color, and if you want to replace it, this is where to replace. Okay, so for this star at the ends, I don't like it. So once I click on the star, I can see delete right here. All right, so I'll click on delete. For me, I'm deleting that. Okay, so this right here, really I don't like it. Just click on delete. If you don't like it, click on delete, and if you can't access it, just come right here and you will see layer. Okay, it's hidden because the image, my image is overlapping on it, so just click on layer right there. You're going to see list of all the things you're using. So here is it. Now I can go ahead and delete it here. You see, it's simple, easy peasy. Just take your time. If you're new, just take your time and navigate. All right, so I don't really like this color. I can click on, once I click on it, it's going to bring out color box for me, so I can get to choose the color that suits me well. So here are the interface, the things you can play with to adjust the settings. You see, it's easy. Just click on them to adjust the settings, right? So if you want to increase the size of your text, click on the text and click here to adjust also. So that is how to go about this part of, you know, of this tutorial. And there is another thing I want to show you in case you want to have the kind of my own thumbnail. So just click on upload, click on, you know, upload file and bring in the picture you want to use. Okay, for me, I will just choose one of the pictures I have here already. So let's use this picture. This is what I do. Okay, this is a picture of what I have here. So for you, you're just bringing in your picture. So right now clicked on that picture and I'm going to locate layers at this side. So just drag and click on layers. Once you click on layers right here, you can get to hold this down and move it downward. Hold it down and move it downward because you want it to be the last, you know, the last stuff there. And do not forget to stay right on it, clicked on it, and we're just going to come right to FS effects here where we have choose our shadow the other time, then click on blur. We're coming to blur right here, click on blur, and once you click on blur, you can get to adjust the settings, you know. So once you adjust it, then you can try to rub your screen, like rub on the picture with your hand. Can you see? That is it right there. You see? So this is how I literally create my own thumbnail. It's very simple. So my picture is at the background, but it is, you know, blurred. And there is another thing I would like to show you right here before we go. We have elements here in case you want to add anything to your thumbnail to make it look good. So here are elements you want to use, so you can click right here to search for anything at all that comes to your mind that you want to add into your thumbnail to make it look good. Use just the free ones available to you. Click right there and adjust it and place. All we need to do right now is to download this file on our mobile phone. Download the image on our mobile phone by clicking on download right here. Right from here, you can download it right on your mobile phone. Voila, you have your own thumbnail. I hope at this moment of this video you've liked this video. You have dropped a comment for me in the comment section that you enjoyed this tutorial, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new here. Let me know in the comment section that you subscribed. I'm going to come right there to give you a welcome hug. And to my returning subscribers, I will not do without greeting you guys. I'm grateful for your like, share, comments, and every other thing you do for me. Thanks for being on this beautiful community, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, bye.